Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
So, story time. We've been waiting for our Uber for 45 minutes. So that's the start of our day.
That's the story. And today we're going to Yosemite.
Yes, on the good side. We're
Yeah,
going
on
to
the good side.
Yosemite. We're going to what we call Cathedral Lakes. So, from what I know, that's a little bit away from the main part of Yosemite National Park. Yeah. It looks nice.
Now we're walking to be picked up.
Yes.
Our
Oh, I
friend.
have to make my
Stay
story now.
tuned.
I know you do joint practices, right?
Sometimes, yeah.
We're here.
I'm gonna take. Swimming costume. I would have.
You're gonna swim in the lake?
Of course.
We're going down.
Careful.
We're passing by a stream of water. There's never a bad view here. I just have to take videos every time. Wow! Oh my gosh. Hello!
Hello, view.
We're in Cathedral Lake. It's so beautiful.
We love it. So who's going to swim?
You!
If we walk back in
You're
our underwear,
going
it's
to
gonna
swim.
dry.
We made it. Enjoying your cookies? We're in Cathedral Lake after 2 hours of hiking. Look at the view. This is so pretty. It's just so pretty. It's really worth the hike. It was really tiring in the beginning because it was so steep. Yes. I know, me too. We're heading back now. How's the hike?
Hi.
So beautiful.
We hiked so much, like
Yeah.
15 kilometers maybe.
Is it?
I
15
yeah,
kilometers? Oh.
I looked on my application.
Oh,
Application?
Huh?
Application?
Like a step
15
counting.
kilometers.
Oh, I see.
And it was
Nice.
like.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
But still.
It
was a good hike.
9 when
It
we were
was
at
so
the
good.
lake. But yeah, maybe that was like my morning steps.
Look at the sunset. So beautiful. We made it back to the car. It's really cold.
Yes, it is really cold.
We're gonna eat in the diner. Fish. Dinner is ready.